Welcome guys to another video. In this video I'm going to show you top 10 Windows tricks to increase your Windows 10 speed and performance. So without further ado, let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I upload for you guys the most advanced tips and tricks. First thing we want to do is we should limit our startup applications. So it's very easy. You just go to your taskbar, right click and click task manager. Here you can see it's written startup. From here you can disable all the unwanted application which run on startup. So suppose I'm going to disable this startup system, and there are many other applications as well. Suppose I don't use mouse server, so I disable this as well, so it will help your computer to boot faster. Next we are going to uninstall the crapware, those software which are not needed, because that will affect our PC speed and performance. So you just need to go to your computer, click uninstall or change a program. From here, as you can see, it loaded all the applications which are installed in this computer. So we should uninstall all the application which we don't require or which we don't need, because that will affect our speed performance. Suppose I don't use this application, I will just click uninstall and yes, and it will automatically uninstall this application. It will increase your performance and speed. Next trick is you must run a tuneup utility application or software. I have advanced cleaner, advanced system care. So I will launch this application. It has many features. You can use any other tuneup utility as well. So in my case I have this advanced system care. Just click this and just click scan. It's better to have the pro version, it will give you more functionality. And just click scan and wait for the scan to get completed. As you can see, it searches my startup items, privacy traces, junk files, and registry entries or spyware threats. Everything which is wrong with my PC, it will automatically resolve them and repair them, and will suggest me to delete those things which are not required. So I will skip this. So as you guys can see that I can get 669.3 MB of it can free up this much of storage, and it can optimize 7 items. So I will just click fix, and it will fix all the wrong things which are with my PC. So it's a must application. You must have a tuneup application in your computers. Next we have disk cleanup. This feature will allow you to delete and remove unnecessary and unwanted files on your computer or some of your drives. So you just need to go to your start menu, type disk clean. The disk cleanup will automatically appear. You just need to open this and select the drive which you want to clean up. Suppose I want to clean up drive C, click OK, and it will tell me all those things which are not required. So next you can select from here which things you want to delete. Suppose I want to clear my recycle bin as well. Now click OK and delete files. Be careful that the files you downloaded must not be selected if something important is there. And the other way to increase your speed is to add some more RAM to your computer. In my case, I have now 8 gigabytes of installed RAM. So if you want to increase your speed, you can increase the hardwares as well, like 16 gigabytes. So it will also help speed your performance. The next step which you can increase your speed and performance for Windows 10 is to install an SSD hard drive for startup. So in my case, I have a 256 gigabytes of SSD hard drive. With this hard drive, my speed and performance increased in a large scale. So you must install an SSD hard drive if you want to get better performance and speed. Here, as you can see, it's written that Toshiba 256 gigabytes SSD drive is installed, so it will boost your performance. Next step which will help you to speed up your performance is to install an antivirus, a valid antivirus, and scan for viruses. So I have Avast antivirus. I will scan randomly for viruses, and this will detect the virus and clean it by itself. So it will also help get better speed in Windows 10 and increase your functionality and performance. So it will suggest you what to update, which are the viruses and all this stuff. So I don't want to update this, I will just click skip. And it will start scanning all my computer for malware and all trojans and all this stuff. The final tip which I'm going to share with you is to change the performance in properties. In Windows properties, just right click on your computer, go to properties, click advanced system settings. Now click the first one. Here it is selected already. By default, let Windows shows word space for my computer. But if you don't want the animation and those stuff, you just need to click adjust for base performance, click apply and OK. This will also help you speed your computer and increase performance by disabling additional features and animations on your computer. So as you can see, now the shadow and these stuff are gone, but my computer has much more speed than before. So okay guys, this is it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.